Hello, my name is Blake Holman. I am co-author of a book entitled What Every Engineer Should Know About Excel, published by CRC Press. Today's question is, how can I best use Excel in an engineering context and application? Microsoft Excel is an excellent tool. Some features that are quite appealing to engineers include the following: charting capabilities, methods for solving single or simultaneous sets of linear or nonlinear equations, statistical analysis capabilities, pivot tables capabilities, and data management. With respect to charts and graphs, the engineer can use Excel for a wide variety of XY scatter charts, the staple of many engineering reports. In addition, Excel supports the ability to automatically insert trend lines, correlation equations, and R-squared calculations. Finally, Excel supports the creation of bar charts, column charts, and surface charts, all in vivid living color. With respect to solving equations, Excel provides two methods for solving nonlinear equations, and it supports iterative methods and matrix inversion methods for solving simultaneous linear equations. With respect to statistical analyses, Excel supports the ability to produce histograms, various types of statistical distributions, and methods to perform linear and exponential regression analysis. With respect to pivot tables, Excel supports simple and advanced pivot table functions aimed at arranging or categorizing data for analysis purposes. Numerous summary capabilities can be used when calculating or charting single or multiple functions of one or more variables. With respect to data management, Excel can itself serve to store, analyze, and organize tabular data, and can be used to interface with other data sources including flat data files, personal database technologies like Microsoft Access, or large-scale database management platforms like Microsoft SQL Server or Oracle's MySQL. Data analysis capabilities in this realm include efficient means for filtering and sorting data, as well as the ability to generate subtotals. The bottom line is that Excel is an indispensable tool for the engineer's toolbox.